Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. Adding captions or lyrics to your videos can make them much more engaging. The easiest way to do this is by using software like Premiere Pro, CapCut, or Filmora, which come equipped with AI auto-caption features. These tools can generate captions directly from your video, but they often contain errors, especially if the audio isn't clear or the speaker isn't a native English speaker. For music videos, the most accurate captions usually come from the lyrics themselves. I've previously released a video explaining how to create one-word sentences with the help of AI, but now I've discovered a better solution, one that I believe is the best method available and hasn't been widely used before. When using Premiere Pro to generate captions, you may encounter a lot of mistakes. This is particularly true if the speaker isn't a native English speaker or if the singer modifies their tone or pronunciation to better express emotion. Editing captions directly in the Captions menu can be a tedious and time-consuming process. Fortunately, if you already have the correct lyrics or content written out, you can use that to save time and effort. Here's how. Step 1. Prepare your project. Start by creating a new project in Premiere Pro. Go to Edit, Preferences, Media Analysis, and Transcription. If you've enabled the Automatically Transcribe Clips option, Premiere Pro will automatically transcribe the audio files when you load them into the project. However, for simplicity, I recommend unchecking this option to better explain the steps. Step 2. Add the audio file. First, add the vocal file. You don't need the video file at this stage. Navigate to Window, Workspace, Captions, and Graphics. If this is your first time loading the audio file, Premiere Pro will prompt you to transcribe the audio. Click the option to transcribe, and it will take some time to complete the process. Step 3. Review and correct the transcription. Once the transcription is complete, you'll notice a lot of errors. These errors may be due to unclear pronunciation or intentional modifications by the singer for emotional expression. Editing captions directly in the Captions menu can be a tedious and time-consuming process. Fortunately, if you already have the correct lyrics or content written out, you can use that to save time and effort. Here's how. Step 4. The trick to save time. Here's the trick that I've found, which I believe no one else has used before. 1. Select the first paragraph of the transcription. 2. Copy the correct lyrics or content you've written yourself. 3. Paste the correct text over the selected paragraph. You'll see the first paragraph is now replaced. Next, click the three-dot menu and select Generate Static Transcription. This will trigger Premiere Pro's AI to replace the old content with your input. Click Transcribe to proceed. However, you'll notice that the second paragraph of the transcription hasn't changed yet. Don't worry, click the three-dot menu again. This time, Premiere Pro will activate an additional function. In case you accidentally performed the wrong action, Premiere Pro provides the option to continue. Select Import, Import Correct Transcript, and choose the file containing your correct lyrics or content. After importing, you'll see the transcription has been updated and corrected. Now you can proceed to generate captions. Follow these steps. 1. Go to the Caption menu and select Create Captions from Transcript. 2. Adjust the captioning preferences. Set the maximum length in characters to a minimum, like 7. Set the minimum duration in seconds to 1.2. Change the lines to single. Premiere Pro will generate captions for you. There may still be minor issues, such as placeholders like type your caption here or strange blank spaces on the screen. Step 6. Export and finalize. Export the lyrics using the SRT format. Then delete the captions from the project and re-import the captions from the SRT file. At this point, only a few minor mistakes may remain. These are usually caused by long tones in the singer's performance being misinterpreted as separate words. These errors are easy to delete or correct during the final adjustments. And that's it. Your captions are now complete. I didn't cover the final adjustment process here, but if you'd like me to share some tips on how to make your captions more attractive, please let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to create another episode for you. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching.